The hardest part of rebuilding your life is nobody talks about how long it takes. You leave, you start again, then you realise years later you're still picking up the pieces. This is just a normal day in my life. Nothing special. Just trying to keep moving forward. Most days feel like trying to keep the house together, trying to keep myself together, trying to be a good mum, but sometimes feeling I'm not, or trying to build something for the future. When I left my relationship, I thought things would get better straight away. I thought I'd feel confident again, and things would feel stable, and truthfully, I still feel like I'm building everything from scratch. Some days, the win is just getting through the day. Some days feel heavy, some days feel hopeful. Most days are somewhere in the middle. So this part of the video on my script, I meant to have a video of me doing nails and say some stuff about, doing nails, making something for the future. But quite frankly, I spent all morning running around doing all this housework. And by the time it got to the time of day where I was meant to do my nails, I was burnt out. I had nothing left to give. I couldn't even make myself a cup of coffee. I was just exhausted. So I decided to take some time for myself and spend an hour literally in silence, laying on the sofa and done nothing before I had to go get the kids from school. And quite frankly, it was just what I needed. I was so glad I got to have a rest this afternoon because we had a major meltdown on the way home from school. And I was literally in tears by the time we got home. This was all because his big sister had a different flavoured drink to him. I don't know where my life is going yet, but I do know that I'm not the same person I used to be. And maybe rebuilding doesn't mean becoming perfect. Maybe it just means never giving up. And that's the one thing I can promise myself and to my children. I'll never, ever give up trying to make what we've got the best we can have. Anyway, that was today. Tomorrow, we try again.